You're listening to a special edition of LA on Air with Bray J on LouisianaIndieRadio.com.
Good day, Louisiana. Bray J and Lana joining you now, LA on Air.
What's up, y'all?
All right, so here it is. You notice by the music, we are partaking in Halloween.
Not
bad laughs.
Bad laughs.
Pretty good.
But they're radio perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Anyway, hopefully you like that. What are you doing for Halloween? Are you going out? Do you stay at home? Do you scare kids walking down the street? What do you like to do on Halloween? We're curious. Hashtag LA on Air, Facebook or Twitter, so we can know what you're doing on Halloween.
What are you doing, Berlin?
I don't know. I think there's several parties going on. I know Little Bears is doing their big costume party. Might check that out.
They have the best costume party every year.
Last year I got to judge it.
Did you?
This year they didn't call me back. But I'm focusing in on that last year and thinking back to the wonderful time that I had.
That was sweet of them.
Uh-huh. I wonder, maybe they lost my number.
Probably so.
Accidentally, of course. Getting into our first song of the night. Here it is, right here on LA on Air with Bray J. Lana.
What am I supposed to say?
I love you. You crack me up. All right, here it is. Our first song of the day right here on LA on Air.
God.
There it is, right here on LA On Air with Bray J. Orion with Shut Up Before You Get Made Out With. All right, Lana and I were just talking, and I have to say, as a mom, seriously, when you go to your Instagram and you see photos that you didn't take yourself posted, how does that make you feel?
Well, I'm instantly seem to be kind of pissed off because I'm like, here, my child has captured my phone when I'm not looking. Actually, this is while I was sleeping, took pictures and posted them on Instagram. Then I'm like, how brilliant. I mean,
in the brain.
My daughter's 3, and she managed to unlock the phone, go to Instagram, pull up the camera, take pictures, put a filter on it, and post it.
Oh, yeah.
If she literally, I mean, being 3, she can't write. Had she had actually put a caption, I think I would have flipped. Like, the only thing she didn't do was put a caption. She even filtered them pictures.
She has class. She knows what she's doing.
I mean, she was like pinkies out with that Instagram picture.
Whenever your mom posts, like, I don't know, 50 pictures on Instagram a day, I think you probably observe a few things. I'm just saying.
Okay, I resent that comment. However, you're just mad because I'm Instagram famous. And, yeah. So my brilliant toddler has figured out how to post pictures on Instagram. So I will be locking my phone for now on. I deleted 132 pictures yesterday morning.
Your daughter took those too?
130 of my leg in a blanket.
That's a compliment.
And like my hair or something random.
I like your hair.
My hair. I mean that is actually a picture worth having.
And we were just talking also about all of our listeners, our friends out there. If you have any funny pictures, we want you to share them with us.
Hashtag LA On Air.
Whether you're on Twitter, Facebook, whatever you choose, let us know. And maybe we'll post it on the Louisiana Indie Radio page on Facebook. Yeah.
For sure. Get at us. We want to make y'all a part of this.
A part of this on this Halloween. Should we invite them over at night? Is that creepy?
That is creepy.
Okay. Here it is, going into our next song with the show. Right here on LA On Air. It's Tandem out of Lafayette with See the Light.
Start to fade away with time, or you finally see the light. Why can't you see the light? Were you ever satisfied? Take away my life.
All right, there it is. More music for you. That was See the Light by Tandem, an awesome band out of Lafayette, right here on LA On Air.
The Book Club.
Lana making her singing debut right here at LA On Air.
Hey.
All right, so we're going to be telling you about the book club officially out of the Lake City. Lana?
Well, Lake Charles officially has an official book club.
Officially. It's official.
It's more than just a book club, though. They're going to be reading comics, short stories, poetry, plays, anything and everything that can be read, they will read.
Even if you write on toilet paper, they might read that.
Probably not. Meetings will be held every other Thursday, and it's going to be at Dharma, which is downtown. If you have not been at Dharma, please go to Dharma, even if it's just for the book club.
And make sure you check out their Facebook page. Simply search The Book Club. It's a red circle with white letters, and if you look at the cover photo, it's an old sketch. Upcoming dates that we're going to tell you about for the book club: November 7th and 21st, and December the 5th and 19th, if you want to check it out.
I'm really excited. I actually went to one of the meetings when this first got started, before it was really, I guess...
Officially official.
Officially official. And it was pretty interesting. And if you go, there's drink specials.
Drink specials.
And I don't know if you've ever had like a great drink special with a great book.
Lana loves her drink specials.
And a great book. It's wondrous.
Hey, speaking of that, and just to make mention, Dharma is one of the great places here in the Lake City. We know that you have a great spot in your city, wherever you are in Louisiana. And I always like to say Dharma is a great place to go and chill, because any given night, if you go out to the bar, chances are you'll see Lana sitting there.
You will. It's a super personable place. I mean...
And she loves being at the bar. Favorite pastime. Right?
Present, future.
Right? There you
For
go.
sure.
Lana.